Good morning, Chasm listeners. This is Kevin Carlson with the Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District with this week's Conservation Report. I have a few events I would like to discuss with you guys about attending, and the first one is the Stearns County Pheasants Forever Banquet. So come join us for the 41st Annual Stearns County Pheasants Forever Banquet on Saturday, March 9th at the Park Event Center in Waite Park. The doors will open at 5 p.m. Dinner will start at 7 p.m. And the Stearns County Pheasants Forever is a nonprofit organization which is dedicated to the conservation of pheasants, public land, and other wildlife. Come enjoy a delicious dinner, live and silent auctions, raffles, games, and more. All the proceeds will support our habitat projects, youth education, and wildlife advocacy efforts. So don't miss the opportunity to have fun and make the difference for our feathered friends. And again, this banquet is on Saturday, March 9th at the Park Event Center, and doors will open at 5 p.m. Second event is the Stearns County Shoreland Workshop, which will be held on February 8th from 7:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the Gorecki Conference Center at the College of St. Ben's. The cost to attend this now is $75, and that will include lunch and refreshments. The people who should attend this Shoreland Workshop are shoreland contractors and excavators, lake association representatives, local government officials, developers, home builders and designers, or the like. A few topics this year will be to learn how to better manage construction project sites, improve your ability to identify the right products to use and how to install them, get more facts about wetlands, find out about different types of lawns, and listen to contractors and property owners talk about recent projects they completed. And also remember that if you plan on excavating, landscaping, grading, or hauling fill within the shoreland areas of Stearns County, you are required to attend this training once every 2 years. Again, this is the Stearns County Shoreland Workshop, and that is held on February 8th at the Gorecki Conference Center. The last thing I would like to talk to you about is a news release from the Minnesota Board of Water and Soil Resources, and they are accepting new applications for fall of 2024 Lawns to Legumes pollinator habitat projects. The Lawns to Legumes program aims to increase habitat for at-risk pollinators in residential settings across the state by providing people with cost-share funding, workshops, coaching, and gardening resources. Anyone who lives in Minnesota and has a yard, deck, or other outdoor space for planting can apply to be reimbursed for up to $400 in costs associated with establishing new pollinator habitat in their yards. This program is available to both homeowners and renters. Lawns to Legumes helps Minnesotans be part of the solution to the challenges facing declining pollinator populations. If you would like any more information about Lawns to Legumes, you can please give the Soil and Water Office a call and someone will be happy to help you. Again, this is Kevin Carlson with the Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District. Have a great weekend.